In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Oak National Academy website to support your child with their learning across lots of different subjects. The first thing you need to do is go to Google and type in Oak National Academy into the search bar and press enter. And it's the link right at the top. And when you've done that, it will take you to the Oak National Academy website that looks like this. And when you're on there, you need to press the classroom button that's right at the top. Now that takes you to the online classroom where there's lots of different lessons, there's lots of different resources and videos there to help your child with their learning. If you press Find Lessons here, this green button, and then you need to choose whatever year group it is that you're looking for. So if your child's in year 1, you would press the year 1 button here, and it takes you to the year 1 online classroom. And then you can press Subjects. And now there are these different subjects here: English, Maths, PSHE, PE, and then Foundation. Foundation encompasses history, geography, RE, Spanish, lots of different sessions there. Now, if your teacher wants you to use the Oak National Academy, they will more likely than not post a link to the exact lesson that you need to do. But if you're using this website to support you with your learning independently, then you can choose which lesson it is that you want to use. So you'd pick your subject. I might choose Spanish, and then I would choose which lesson it is that I want to do. So if it's the first lesson you're doing, you would press lesson 1. If you're coming back to it later, you would choose lesson 2 and so on. So I'm going to show you what lesson 1 would look like. It looks like this. It tells you what the focus of the lesson would be, what the name of the lesson is, and you would press Start Lesson here. Now, most lessons on this website start with an introductory quiz, just to see what your child's learning like is at the beginning. And then at the end of the lesson, they do another quiz to see how much your child has learned. So you need to press Start Quiz, and it'll take you to a different part of the website like this. It's a Google form. Your child then just needs to answer the questions as best they can and press Submit at the bottom here. And then when they finish that, they need to press Close Quiz up here and then press Next down at the bottom. And then most lessons come up with a video here. And most lessons have some activities that they would like your child to complete while they're watching the video. So it's handy to have a pen and a paper with you while you're going through. When you press the video, you press the Next button here, and then there's a quiz there for you to complete as well. There's the final quiz there, so you'd press Start Quiz again. Work your way through the quiz, all the things that you've learned during that lesson, and then you would press Submit at the bottom, and then when that's finished, press Close Quiz. And then press Next down at the bottom here, and that's the lesson completed. The lesson is finished there. So you can press Exit Lesson here. If your child's still wanting to carry on their learning, they could carry on with session 2, through to lesson 3, lesson 4, or they could come back to revisit those lessons on a different day. We've also got science down here as well, creative lessons, history lessons, geography lessons, some more science down there, and each subject, each topic is relevant to what your child would have been learning that year. It's the same for each year group, and it's pretty much the same for each lesson as well, so you can expect the same in all those lessons.